So what we got here, we got a nice gift from the guys at Bosch. Coming down, let's get it open.
See what it is.
Ooh. Oh, another L box.
Another one.
I do like my L boxes. Oh, that's a big one.
Very nice.
Open her up then. What have we got in here?
Oh.
Oh. We got some goodies in here. What we got there? Sabre Saw.
2 batteries.
2 5-amp batteries. These are going to last a while. Fantastic. Oh, we've got a couple of blades in here, a nice box.
Charging kit.
Wood and metal blade.
And
So
obviously the manual.
That will cut through wood and nails at the same time, so that should be awesome. We'll use that a lot, especially for things like stud work and taking it down. Heavy metal, this will help out on the roofs when we cut sheet metal, so looking forward to trying that one out. Oh, we got one of the new chargers. You notice here, we got the air vents, so if we've been using our tools too heavy, put it on there. That will then cool by blowing air down into the batteries. And this should make our batteries last longer. Only one bar charge. We'll charge that up shortly. With the Sabre Saw, we're going to try it with the carbide blade. Come then down, lock and load it. Here we've got the SDS quick change. Simple. Come on in, let's attack this wall. Awesome. Nice and easy way to get rid of bits of wall. Turn it up a bit. Same with chucking in the bin, hey? To test. Nice. Here we go, we've got Sabre Saw here. Just got a bit to chop off from over here, excess. Quite nice and easy. Thank you to Bosch for giving us this to test. Nice easy trim, let's borrow this. So here we are, we've got a nice metal blade in there, suitable for wood and metal. And we've got these copper pipes. They're in the way. We need to dot and dab here. So, here goes. There you go. A bit of the back boiler stuff coming out, but yeah, nicely done. Thank you, Bosch, for the tool.